Welcome to DPV. I'm Josh, and today we got some exciting stuff happening. Alright, we're working on all the rigs today. First, Edith the Behemoth. So we were on a little road trip and blew tire out, so we've been rocking the spare, and I wasn't quite ready to spend $1,000 on new tires, so I did the right thing, searched Craigslist, and I found a way to make this thing look a lot better, and it's a lot cheaper than $1,000. So we're gonna put some new wheels on this, new to me anyway, and wheels like make or break a rig, so I think these are gonna be pretty dang sweet. Let's just check them out. Yeah, check that out. These are gonna look sweet. So my dad had some wheels on his 68 Chevy that were similar to this, and I just felt like it made it look tough. That truck was two-wheel drive, 3/4 ton, and even though it was two-wheel drive, it just looked mean because of wheels like this with a bunch of holes. I'm not sure what the term is for them, but I think they look cool. So we're gonna put these on the Yukon and see how it looks. Something I haven't done in a long time is put a new set of wheels on a rig, and gosh, it's just fun. It's fun, just the quick change you get in look. All right, that looks sweet. Get the other side on, and then we'll flip the car around, get the back. Yes, I like it. Let's get the other side done and drop her down. Yes. I think it looks rad. Love this style of wheel. Like I said, my dad had some similar to that on the 68 and they were sweet. So I think it might need a lift to fully remove its soccer mom badge, but the wheels definitely help. So get them torqued down, go for a little drive. They are used tires, so I just want to make sure that they ride somewhat smooth, get us through wintertime. And then I'm hoping to get some Falcon Wild Peaks like I got on Clyde on here, because I absolutely love those tires. They've been awesome. So living on these dirt roads like the regular all seasons, just they're not tough enough. We need some all-terrains. But all right, let's torque these down and go for a little drive. Shaking, so that's good. They look good, ride good. We did good today. Yep, I like it. Looks pretty good. All right, now less fun of a project. This guy has been giving me problems the whole time. So basically what I've done so far, I've done the fuel pump, didn't fix it. Fuel filter, see, I changed the spark plugs. I just about didn't make it home from work with it because it like completely, it's just like surging and then popping, and like it's got a check engine light for lean condition. So I think we're gonna go with injectors first. I got some Bosch 4-hole injectors. We're gonna swap those out. I've already got the fuel rail pulled out, so it should be pretty easy. If that doesn't do it, then we'll try the map sensor and the O2 sensor. There are ways to test them, but they're really not that expensive for this Jeep. So anyway, let's start with the injectors and see if that does it. All right, so like I said, I got the fuel rail off already. You can see those injectors are really dirty, and I tested them and they're all like working, but they're not really atomizing the fuel. They're just like a big old thick squirt, for lack of better terms. To get this off, there's just a series of 10mm bolts. There's 4 of them, and then 3 on the throttle linkage. Get that out of the way. Then just got to unplug these, pop these clips off. I'm going to clean up all these ports where the injectors go real quick and start pulling these injectors off. Alright, so I left one injector here so I can show you how these go off. But there's a little metal clip, looks like that. Just slides off the back here. I just push it off with my thumbs. Use a screwdriver, push it off the rest of the way. Ouch. Owie. Okay. Just like that. And then pull the injector out of the fuel rail. Then there's this little metal clip like that holds the electrical connector on. I just use a screwdriver. There we go. Get that clip off, it pops right out. Now, there is an O-ring. Come on, focus. There's an O-ring that goes on the end of that injector. Come on. And every one of those O-rings popped off and is probably stuck in the fuel rail, so we got to get those out. Yep, right there. So you want to make sure that you get those out. Alright, so I got some cleanup here to do, and then we'll pop the new injectors in. Hopefully we got a nice running Jeep. Alright, so there's the new injector. Yeah, it's got the 4 holes. And so I'm just going to put a little fuel on there, just so it's not dry going in the hole. And then once I get all 6 of them in, we'll lube up this side, pop the rail on, get all the clips on, and then put that little metal clip back on our electrical connector, pop those guys on. Got a bunch of fuel down here on the intake, so that's perfect. Alright, I'm putting them in the rail first. Alright, that worked a lot better to put them in the rail first, and then I just pushed on the rail to pop injectors into the ports there. So now I just got to get that little metal clip back on all these wiring connectors, and then they will snap back on. So you get that little metal clip on there, and they just snap right on. Hooks onto that little tab there. Easy peasy. All right, here goes nothing. Alright, I think I'm going to swap out that map sensor and go from there. Alright, well, thought we were going to be working on all the rigs and having a good time, but this thing has just been a major time suck. So I replaced the map sensor and the O2 sensor, no change. Still running like complete garbage. Read that it could be a clogged catalytic converter, so cut the exhaust off. Unfortunately, that wasn't it, so now I have to fix the exhaust. Did a compression test again, and it's weak, but it should run. In the process of doing the compression test, I broke one of my spark plug wires. So now I got this one from a big block Chevy, and it's way too long. So anyway, got a throttle position sensor and an idle air circuit sensor. We're gonna try those. Not really sure what else it could be. Yeah, this is supposed to be a fun rig, not a pain in the ass. All right, I'm not sure what to do with this thing. I swapped out the throttle position sensor and that idle air circuit, and it's still running like complete garbage. It's smoking really bad. And yeah, it's got 90 pounds of compression across the board, which is low. But my question is that low enough for it to completely run like garbage, or is it just low to make it run weak? No more check engine lights, but it's just running like complete crap. So I'm not sure what to do with this thing. I'm in a spot where I need a daily driver. I can't just drive my big old truck to work all the time, but this thing's not cutting it. So let me know in the comments below what I should do, any ideas on how to make this thing run better. Yeah, anyway, wheel it, wreck it, wrench it, repeat. See you next time.